But my very, very favorite thing to do with them is to put them at the stopping point for people that live in my home, right? So we have a place, it's like a backpack nook, so that when everyone comes in the door, whether it's me, my kids, my husband, everyone puts their junk there. You know, like they throw their keys, they leave their laptop bags, purses, backpacks, all those things. So you put a chunk of rose quartz there. It doesn't have to be big. This is the chunk of rose quartz that used to live in our backpack nook, right? And it's the same principle. Think of it like an energetic drive-through car wash. And it just sort of flips the switch from whatever was going on at work or at school or whatever kind of rush hour traffic you were in. It instantly flips the switch, reduces the stress, and it positively charges that person, for lack of a better way to say it, when they come home from a hectic day, right? It switches them from stress ball mode to love, unconditional compassion, and de-stress mode. Now, interestingly, you may notice when you use a stone for that in that way, that you might have to retire it often, okay? So if you look at this one's retired, and I don't know if you can see that, but can you see the dark lines? When I got it, it was plain rose quartz, okay? There were no dark lines. And so I feel like that they get cracked, they start to change colors when they've kind of lost their ability to continue to be that energetic car wash. They've absorbed some kind of big negative energetic action,